Have you ever wondered how Kubernetes administration and management work? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? Well, let's explore this together. Kubernetes, often referred to as K8s, is an open-source system that's revolutionizing the way we handle IT infrastructure. It plays a pivotal role in managing containerized applications and services. Now, why is this important? Well, it's because Kubernetes provides a framework to run distributed systems resiliently. It takes care of scaling and failover for your applications, provides deployment patterns, and more. It's like having a personal assistant for your IT infrastructure. For the DevOps engineers out there, understanding Kubernetes administration is crucial. It's not just about managing containers. It's about orchestrating a symphony of interconnecting services, ensuring seamless scalability and robust automation. So, are you ready to dive in and unravel the mysteries of Kubernetes administration? Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it may seem. Dive in to uncover the mysteries of Kubernetes administration. It's not as complicated as it may seem. First, grasp the core concepts of Kubernetes administration. These core concepts are the building blocks of Kubernetes, and understanding them is a crucial step in mastering Kubernetes administration. Let's start with nodes. In Kubernetes, a node is a worker machine, and it may be either a virtual or a physical machine, depending on the cluster. Each node holds the services necessary to run pods and is managed by the master components. The services on a node include Docker, Kubernetes, and kubeproxy. Next up are pods. Pods are the smallest and simplest units in the Kubernetes object model that you create or deploy. A pod encapsulates an application container, or in some cases, multiple containers that are tightly coupled and need to share resources. Now let's talk about services. A Kubernetes service is an abstraction which defines a logical set of pods and a policy by which to access them. Services enable a loose coupling between dependent pods. Then we have deployments. A deployment provides declarative updates for pods and replica sets. You describe a desired state in a deployment, and the deployment controller changes the actual state to the desired state at a controlled rate. Kubernetes uses these elements to manage containerized applications effectively. For example, if a container goes down, Kubernetes can automatically replace it to maintain the desired state of the system. Understanding these core concepts is crucial for Kubernetes administration. Think about it like this. If Kubernetes were a car, nodes would be the engine, pods the individual gears, services the steering mechanism, and deployments the car's GPS system navigating you to your desired destination. Once you master these core concepts, you're halfway there in your Kubernetes administration journey. So keep learning, keep experimenting, and you'll soon be a Kubernetes wizard, managing and deploying applications with ease and efficiency. Now that you have the basics, let's talk about the tools and skills needed for Kubernetes administration. A key tool you'll use is Kubectl, the Kubernetes command line interface. It allows you to run commands against Kubernetes clusters, giving you control over your nodes and deployments. Next up is Helm. Think of Helm as a package manager for Kubernetes. It simplifies deployment of apps and services on your Kubernetes cluster. Then we have Minikube. It's a tool that makes it easy to run Kubernetes locally, perfect for testing and development. Now let's talk skills. Understanding YAML or YAML ain't markup language is crucial. It's the language you'll use to write your Kubernetes configuration files. Basic Linux skills are also essential as Kubernetes runs on Linux. And finally, familiarity with cloud platforms. Whether it's Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure, understanding how these platforms work with Kubernetes is key. Equip yourself with these tools and skills, and you're on your way to becoming a proficient Kubernetes administrator. So, you're interested in learning more about Kubernetes administration? Here are some resources to get you started. The digital world brims with numerous learning platforms offering online courses and tutorials. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and edX have comprehensive courses to help you understand the nuts and bolts of Kubernetes. They cover everything from the basic concepts to advanced administration techniques. In addition to these, the official Kubernetes documentation is a treasure trove of information. It's updated regularly and contains in-depth explanations of various Kubernetes features and functionalities. If you're looking to validate your skills, consider getting certified. The Certified Kubernetes Administrator, or CKA, and the Certified Kubernetes Application Developer, or CKAD, are globally recognized certifications. These not only enhance your resume, but also give you practical, hands-on experience managing Kubernetes clusters. With these resources, you're all set to embark on your Kubernetes administration learning journey. Remember, every expert was once a beginner.